Hi guys, today we are going to have a closer look at this 4-piece no buckle stretch belt. I think it's very new innovation, so it's definitely worth to give it a try. So I think it can be super convenient, comes in 4 sets, so it matches almost any color. So I'm going to take it out of the box and try it on and let you know what I think about that. So here we have these 4 nice colors. We have the black, we have the blue, we have the beige, and we have a brown one. So there's definitely one which will fit for any top or t-shirt. And this is one size fits all from 20 inch to 47 inches. And as you can see, it's even very stretchy, so we can extend it quite a lot. What's important before we put it on, that we adjust the length approximately here, so it can increase it a lot, as you can see. And to put it on, we use it like a normal belt. And so we are coming now from this side. And so we can open it here, slide it through the buckle and secure it like a normal belt. And so it's very easy to open and close again like a normal belt. But this is actually not why we are buying this thing. The actual idea is here more to use it like that. We secure it here on the right side on one of these loops, and then same thing on the other side. We remove this buckle here and secure it here as well on this side, and then we can tighten it nicely here with this buckle on the side. And so this is how we wear that after that. There is no buckle here anymore. Really nice, convenient, very free. And when we go to the bathroom, we can just open and close it after that. Again, we don't have to deal with an uncomfortable belt buckle anymore. Really convenient, very easy. So everything looks really tempting at the beginning, and you think, okay, that's something which I need. But when you look a little bit closer at this thing, you will realize that it puts quite some tension on the belt loops. Maybe it will work for a while with some rough jeans, but especially if you are wearing some nicer, some more sensitive pants, then you will realize that it could be too much tension and the belt loops could tear easily over time. And it also doesn't look really nice. I mean, as long as you have the t-shirt over the belt, yeah, okay, but it's definitely not as fancy looking as a normal nice belt with a fancy buckle or so. And also the tightening effect of such a belt is not the same as with a normal leather belt. It's definitely much weaker no matter how much you pull. And if you think you could prevent these tiny pinholes in your t-shirts with a belt with no buckle, I have to disappoint you, because there's quite some evidence that these tiny pinholes in front of the t-shirts, which are usually right on top of the buckle, they are not caused by the buckle. It's more like just hitting other areas with the t-shirt where it has the most pressure, which is actually right in front of your belly. So the question is then, of course, are there other solutions? Yeah, I think there is something. I've found this belt bra. Unfortunately, I don't have them, but they look very tempting and I think they make much more sense, also style-wise. And they are not just pulling on 2 of the belt loops, but on 4 of the belt loops. And so this makes it much more evenly to wear. And probably I will buy and try such a set in the future and then make another video. If you're interested in these things now, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing of the Belt Pro. And so if you're interested, just buy and see and let us know. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.